We need a new kind of mobile phone for a new mobile reality. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the phone reimagined. Because being mobile means juggling many jobs at once.
Hey guys, and oh my god, someone is about to get fired at Samsung. Yes, Samsung's YouTube channel accidentally posted the trailer of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. It's actually unbelievable that they made this mistake. They themselves leaked the Galaxy S9 day before, almost a day before the announcement. We're still 24 hours away from the official unveiling, so I feel kind of bad for the ones who are going to the event for this. Like, this is all out. I think no one's gonna watch the live stream because everything is out. So here is the trailer breakdown. So first off, you can see the trailer starts with this great depth of field thanks to the new f1.5 aperture, and you can see the slow-mo leaves movement highlighting the super slow-mo feature of the Samsung Galaxy S9 camera. You can see the design is very similar to the Galaxy S8 family, no ugly bezel addition whatsoever. That new earpiece is here as well, which is a secondary speaker because the Galaxy S9 family is the first from Samsung to have the dual stereo speaker. The trailer shows us the multi-window feature, which allows you to use two applications on one screen at the same time. Here is the new Samsung DeX, which is now allowing the phone to lay it down flat. It supports drag and drop, so you can easily copy stuff, and you can also use the phone screen as the keyboard or mouse, so you don't have to use any secondary peripherals. You can just connect your phone and start using that screen as a keyboard or mouse, and pretty much it's like a computer. And then of course we have the new talk about the camera, and right here, as you can see, the camera lens moves. We talked about this months ago that the Galaxy S9 will indeed going to have a variable aperture, and this pretty much confirms that. And then of course we have the new Bixby live translation feature, which we talked about as well. We have this AR readiness feature. Basically, they have combined the Bixby vision feature that they introduced last year with some new AR capabilities. Then we have the app pairing feature, one of the nicest additions to the software that they introduced with the Galaxy Note 8. And the phone, you can see it is water resistant, so it looks pretty cool in the rain. IP68 water and dust resistant certification. Then the trailer says the phone reimagined to protect your data. So this is about the Knox 3.1. Of course, it's all about protection and stuff. It's safe from the hackers, and you can see we have the new intelligent scan feature, which is basically a combination of the facial scanner and the iris scanner working at the same time together. And you can see that it unlocks almost instantly, like there's no delay whatsoever, almost as fast as Apple's Face ID. And also there is a fingerprint scanner on the back, which they do highlight that it is still there. They haven't removed it because in some conditions you just can't raise your phone to the face, so the fingerprint scanner is a great option. They've also added some features for the business, so again, everything is secured by the Samsung Knox. Your phone is secure, you get 24/7 technical support, and you also get a full OTA update support, extended device warranties, extended product guarantees, and security updates for up to 4 years. And pretty much it's a perfect Galaxy. Like, if you look at all the features and everything, it is actually the most complete phone on the market. You still get the headphone jack, they haven't removed that, which is pretty awesome because everyone is just getting rid of that. So this phone just provides you everything. There's a micro SD card slot as well, and while the design is same as the Galaxy S8, it's still looking pretty stunning. And again, this is not a custom render stuff, it is a fully official trailer that Samsung themselves leaked. And yeah, that is about it. Also, the Instagram account that posted some hands-on images of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus that I showed you a couple of hours ago has posted some more hands-on images of the phone, so you can see the Samsung Experience UI is here and it looks very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8 UI. Of course, I think it is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. The overall look of the phone is similar to the S8 and the S8 Plus. There are two new applications. One is the AR Emoji and the other one is the Super Slow-Mo app. Vodacom South Korean network has been high on milk. They already posted the website feature stuff for the S9 and S9 Plus, so you can see that AR Emoji is indeed a real thing. It is on the phone and it's also confirmed with this website promo leak. So this new AR Emoji app app will let users create their own avatars. It says the camera that turns you into an emoji so you're not the you everyone else is. Create an augmented reality version of yourself by simply taking a selfie, then share your real life feelings as emoji stickers and videos. So it is a little bit different concept compared to the Emoji on the iPhone 10. Like you can create your own avatar based on your own facial features, like with the selfie and everything. Well, you can't do that on the iPhone. You can only be what they want you to be, which actually includes a piece of poop as well. Anyways, this is a nice addition. If you are a fan of a 3D sticker or an emoji, if you wanted that, Samsung is giving you that in a bit of a advanced way, you can say. Also, intelligence scan is here. Your boy nailed it. I told you about this a month ago. And pretty much it is the real deal. So it says the camera that recognizes you instantly. So it is mentioning the instantly part, that it is actually fast. A lot of people are concerned about the speed, so I think it is going to be fast as Face ID. It says intelligence scan is a new technology that combines face recognition and iris scan to make unlocking simple even in low light. Again, while still providing you the fingerprint scanner on the back. So this is all we have for the Samsung Galaxy S9 family. Everything is out, the official trailer, you just saw it. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about these phones. Are you going to upgrade or are you going to wait for the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10? Let me know. I will be doing some comparisons, giving you guys my thoughts about whether you want to upgrade or how this phone stacks up against the iPhone 10. So please be sure to subscribe for those videos and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.